In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your weekly spending in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money does not have an automatic weekly summary, but you can still easily track your spending week by week using filters and reports. To do this on desktop, go to Transactions and look for the Day dropdown. Select Last 7 Days to instantly see your weekly cash flow, including income, expenses, and top spending categories. Another option is to go to the Reports tab, then Open Spending. From here, set a custom date range that matches your exact week. You can also filter by category or group for more detailed breakdowns. The results will show bar charts and summaries, so you can compare your weekly spending against your budget pace. Using this method regularly helps you stay on track and quickly spot overspending early. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.